Hey guys, Gary G back again for another video. Thank you for coming back to the Stay Slick YouTube channel. Got another video for you today. How do I wash a clean car, right? By all accounts, it would be clean. Garage kept, driven maybe one time since the last time I cleaned it. A little bit of dirt on the outside maybe. Nothing really crazy. So today what I'm going to use is DIY Detail Rinseless Wash. I love this stuff. And I'm going to do what I would consider really is kind of a waterless wash, kind of. Except the fact that the whole vehicle is already covered in water from being rained on. So I'm going to do pretty much the same process I would do with a rinseless wash minus one step. So today we're working on the 7 Series BMW. You've seen me do many videos on this. I promise this is on another day. This is about a week later than the last video I just did. But I see these guys every week, and this vehicle didn't really get very dirty because they're not driving it very much right now. So anyways, I'm going to take you in, show you what the vehicle looks like, and we're going to get started. Let's go. Okay, so here we are with the wheels. The wheels on this vehicle always get dirty. I mean, it's a European car and it's got a big brake kit. So you can see the wheels always get dirty on this no matter what. You drive it 1 time, 2 times, 10 times, it doesn't really matter. So what I'm gonna do, I got my IK Pro Foam 12 and I've got Nanoskin Non-Acid is what I have in there today. So what I'm gonna do is I always actually wash the wheels the same way that I would on a normal wash, even when I do rinseless washing, because they're so dirty. That's just what I like to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that today, and then we will move to the body with the rinseless wash. Okay, so the reason that I like to use foam is because it dwells longer. And I also noticed that when the aeration happens, meaning the additional air being put into a product, it causes a lot more browning to come off of the tires. It dwells longer, right? You can see it's pulling all the dirt off down here. It, by all accounts, works better when the product is aerated, so when it's foamed. I've always noticed no matter what product I use, whether it's Super Clean, whether it's this non-acid, no matter what it is, I always get a better clean, right? A better lift of dirt when I actually foam a product on as opposed to just put it on in a regular spray bottle. Now I guess you can compensate for this by doing like a higher dilution, right? Making it stronger, but who wants to use more product when you don't have to, right? It's going to cost you more money. It's just unnecessary. So what I like to do to make sure that I get the best out of my cleaning is to use a foamer like the IK Pro Foam 12 or their little small one. I forgot what it's called at this exact moment. So I'm going to have a link to Nanoskin Non-Acid. I purchased it at my local detail store at mirrorfinishpolishes.com. They have a really good price for that. I'm going to go ahead and link that up in the description if you want to go ahead and check that out too. So now the next process is, well, rest of the wheels. I don't need to bring you in to do that, right? Because I'm going to do the same thing on all 3 other wheels. So next clip, we'll be working on the body of this. Let's go. So the wheels are all done. They are looking beautiful, still protected. Now we are going to go in. There's my little electric pump sprayer in here. I have DIY Detail Rinseless Wash 256-1. And what I'm going to do is I am going to spray down this entire vehicle like I normally would any other time I'm pre-treating a vehicle with rinseless wash. So the idea here is we still get the pre-treated benefits, right? Meaning emulsification of dirt, encapsulation of dirt, and we're going to wait about a minute or so We're going to let the rinseless wash do what rinseless wash does, which is those things I just mentioned. And then we can feel safe moving into the next step, which, as I told you before, is going to be skipping a normal step. And I'll show that to you right now. All right, so this is the part where I promise you all of the professional detailers on YouTube, you know, quote unquote, are going to tell me where I'm wrong. They're going to tell me I'm going to scratch the vehicle. They're going to tell me all kinds of stuff. Well, the fact is you can't wash a vehicle without scratching it. It's not possible. Okay, it's not possible. We as detailers just try to do everything we can to minimize that scratching. Obviously, the way we do that is by using products like this that are going to emulsify the dirt, that's going to lift it off so there's less of a chance of scratching. So what I'm going to do today is to save time, be efficient. I am going to combine steps, and what I'm going to do is put ceramic gloss by DIY Detail straight on top of this, and instead of going in with a sponge, dun dun dun, here it is, I'm just going to dry it. I know that's controversial, but I'm telling you, I've done it many times, and I have not noticed excessive scratching. So I'm going to put a couple sprays on the hood. We are going to go in with a twisted loop microfiber drying towel. This one is from the Rag Company, and I'm going to dry like I normally would. The benefit of this is now I am laying down protection at the same time as I am drying this hood. So here we go, dried the hood, laid down protection all at the same time. It is looking clean, dry, and glossy. This is exactly what I'm going to do on the rest of the vehicle. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I just went all the way around the vehicle, the same process, dried it. Unfortunately, my camera did not film it, so I apologize for that. So what I'm going to do is now, just like any other wash, I like to come in with the MacShine mini handheld blower. I'm still going to blow out all the cracks and crevices, make sure I get all the water out. There's water on the headlights, in the grill, on the wheels. I'm going to go around and take care of all of that right now to go ahead and finish off this this detail. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, so now everything's looking beautiful, clean, dry, protected, safely washed. And of course, we got to go in and do the final touches. We're going to do tire shine. We're going to do glass. We're also going to do the door jambs. So I'm going to hit the door jambs first. Go around, hit all the door jambs. A lot of dirt likes to settle right here on this vehicle. All the way down, as you can see. And go behind the door and get all of that out of there. Nice and clean and dry for the customer. We're just gonna move around the rest of the vehicle. Next up is tire shine. This is premium by Mirror Finish, diluted 1:1. I love this tire dressing. It is durable, glossy, and still water-based, so it doesn't sling. All right, last but not least, we're going to do glass. Right here I have PNS Paint Prep and Glass Cleaner Waffle Weave Towel by Super Towel. We're going to go for it. Clean that glass. All right, guys, so that's it. That's a simple, easy process that you can use to clean your customers' vehicles that aren't really that dirty. This process, while I'm not filming, I can get this done inside and out, since I see them weekly, in about 45 minutes. It's a pretty easy process. So as always, if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. Make sure you hit that like button, the subscribe button. Share this video if you want to help somebody else out. If you have positive feedback, leave it in the comments. I know there's going to be negative feedback in the comments, and that's fine. You're welcome to debate me anytime you want. You're welcome to teach me something that I don't know. But let's do it in a positive way. So, if you have any questions, leave them down below. As stated before, all these products are linked down in the description. Ceramic gloss, rinseless wash, a bunch of different products from DIY Detail. You guys can check out the link in the description. It does help out the channel a little bit. It's just a tiny little commission, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. Anything like the PNS paint prep, the Max Shine blower, anything else that I use, IK Pro Foam 12, rigid vacuum, everything is all going to be listed down in the description below, so make sure to check that out. All right, guys, thank you again for coming back to another video. I appreciate you guys, all of my Stay Slick fam. Thank you guys for 4,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. That happened in just a little bit over a year. I consider that to be pretty amazing, pretty good success. So I want to thank you to all the loyal subscribers, all the people that comment on the videos, come back all the time. I really appreciate you guys helping me create a community, creating the Stay Slick fam. So I appreciate you guys, all of my Stay Slick fam. Thank you for coming back to another video. I will see you on the next one. If you have any video suggestions, leave them down in the comment section below. All right, see you guys later. Peace. Stay slick. Let's get it.